This video will walk you through the unboxing, assembly, and hardware/software activation process for Lixel L2 Pro. Unboxing. Open the package of the Lixel L2 Pro to find its main body, accessories, and the user manual. Device assembly. Attach the GCP base to the battery handle and secure it by tightening the knob. Open the battery lever, align the battery along the guide slot, insert it, and push the lever back to lock it securely. Insert the RTK module into the top interface of the device and tighten the screws. Install the phone mount. Assembly is complete. Powering on. For the first time startup, press and hold the power button for 4 seconds. The indicator will switch from slow blinking blue to steady yellow, indicating the device is ready. Device activation. Please download the latest Lixel Go app from XGRIDS.com. Register and log in. Turn on your mobile hotspot and open the Lixel Go app. Add a new device. Search for Bluetooth. Select your device and complete the pairing. Enter your hotspot name and password. Click Configure and connect the device. A successful activation will turn the indicator green. Or you can connect the device to your phone with a USB cable instead of Bluetooth connection. Tap plus in the upper right corner and choose USB connection. When prompted, select File Transfer Mode on your phone. Enable USB tethering in the phone settings and click Verify in the app to complete the connection. Click Go. Select a scan mode in the app, press the red Start button, and the indicator will blink green as the LiDAR begins rotating. The device will initialize for 15 seconds. Once complete, gently lift the device to start scanning. To stop scanning, tap the End Recording button in the app or double press the power button on the device. The indicator will blink green while saving data, then return to solid green, indicating a successful scan. Powering off. Hold the power button for 4 seconds until the indicator flashes white. Release the button when the light turns off, signaling the device is powered down. LixelStudio activation. In LixelStudio, click Reactivate to enter the activation code page. Use the scanner's SN number to request an activation code. Note, the full SN must be retrieved via the Lixel Go app. 3 permanent activation codes will be sent to your registered email. Each code is valid for a single computer and cannot be reused. After activation, the software will display the license period. Confirm to complete the activation and begin using the software.